Welcome to Cars ExpertTV. Today, we're going to dive into Tesla's latest, the 2025 Tesla Model Q. Is this compact electric wonder worth the hype? We'll explore every detail and even give you a sneak peek. Buckle up! Starting up front, the Model Q features Tesla's signature minimalist design. The closed grille, iconic for electric vehicles, gives it a clean, futuristic look. New for 2025 are razor-sharp matrix LED headlights, which not only enhance visibility but also feature customizable lighting patterns, perfect for making a statement on the road. A sculpted hood and sleek bumper design emphasize aerodynamics and efficiency. Moving to the rear, the Model Q introduces a redesigned light bar that stretches seamlessly across the tailgate. These dynamic LED taillights are both stylish and functional, offering improved visibility and adaptive signaling. A compact rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, while a redesigned bumper integrates hidden sensors and tow hooks for added utility. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a futuristic yet inviting cabin. At its center is Tesla's updated 15-inch landscape-oriented touchscreen, which now features a crystal-clear OLED display. The Model Q also introduces Tesla's new intelligent steering wheel, which includes touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback for an intuitive driving experience. The seats are a mix of sustainable vegan leather and recycled materials, available in a choice of bright new colors for 2025. The comfort of the seats is complemented by advanced lumbar support. As expected, Tesla's tech is powerful. The Model Q comes with full self-driving, FSD, hardware, ready for the latest software updates. Enhanced Autopilot makes highway cruising a breeze, and you can pick up the car remotely. Under the hood, the Model Q is powered by Tesla's latest generation of electric motors. The base model goes 0 to 60 in just 5.8 seconds, while the performance variant clocks in an astonishing 3.9 seconds. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional grip and handling in all weather conditions. With a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge, thanks to Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate battery technology, the Model Q strikes a balance between performance and efficiency. The 2025 Tesla Model Q starts at $34,990 for the base model, making it Tesla's most affordable offering yet. Fully loaded, it's around $50,000, but with tax breaks and lower operating costs, it's still a compelling choice. Tesla continues to redefine the electric vehicle market, and the Model Q is no exception. Its combination of futuristic design, technology, and impressive performance make it a strong contender in the compact electric vehicle market. But what do you think? Is the Model Q your next car? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks!